What's up, Team T, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? Okay, so I told you guys I would show you what I do for my natural lioness hair, my natural curls. So right now it is still it's like frizzy kind of and damp, and I just got out of the shower like maybe 20 minutes ago, got ready really quick before it got too dry. But as you can see, this is like still like damp. It's probably like 10% damp. Okay, so you want, if you even have like straight hair, this might even still work with you if you want a little bit of wave or curl. Now I don't know, my hair changes sometimes. Lately it's been a little bit more curly. I think it has to do with the ocean water, I don't know, but I'm trying to get it more curly because then my hair really expands, like if I actually do this. I'm trying to use less heat as I have to film a lot and get ready, and I don't want my hair to always have heat on it. So this is just like a little bit of heat, like very tiny bit. So I'm trying to totally, completely get away from all the heat. But right now I've got it down to just a little bit. So I'm gonna show you, now you can do this too without heat, but I just like the way it looks with just a little bit. So as you may know, I have a lot of hair, as you can see. So it does take a hot minute for it to dry. Now, I have done absolutely nothing to it so far. I just washed it in the shower. Now, another tip for you for curls is don't brush it when you get out of the shower. Get a wet brush, and when you're in the shower, after you do shampoo, when you put in the conditioner, then like as you're soaping and stuff, brush your hair and let it sit there. And oh my god, it's a game changer. So I'm learning little things as I go too. I'm watching tutorials, I'm watching other things on, you know, what's better for breakage and damage and all this stuff. Now, having long hair, you gotta take really good care of it. Short hair too, but see, already just getting out of the shower, like I haven't brushed it and like the little waves are there. So no, none of these are sponsored, just so you guys know, like it matters. But I like the argan oil, the Morocco oil. Shout out to them. I mean, if you want to throw in a sponsor, I'm just saying I use it every day. So what I like to do is put that, but first I like to add the Prep Rally from Dry Bar, and I just like to put a tiny bit on my curls because, like I said, I'm not using a lot of heat, and this is like good for protecting for the heat, but I am using a little bit of heat, so we're golden here. And then I tried this from John Frieda, which is, his brand's amazing. It's Beach Blonde Sea Waves. So it has sea salt spray in it and texturizes, so this helps a lot. It's a magic heat. So what I've been doing is kind of scrunching up and spraying like this, and then scrunching up and spraying. So I'm adding a little bit of it's my eyeball. I'm adding a little bit of texture around. You want to put in when it's like damp. You don't want to put it in when it's super soaking wet. Super soak. Okay. And now this is good for the frizz because Lord knows my hair gets frizzy. So I like to just put some on my hand and then kind of scrunch it up here like so. So just create some more frizz for all this hair. Okay, then we're gonna flip and dip. So now we're gonna do the other side. Okay. hair is very thirsty today. It is just soaking up all this oil. All right, the lion is, she's coming out. The lion is coming out, so we must tame her. So now I got 2 blow dryers. I prefer to use the little mini baby one. Why? Because the big one, as I have so much hair, sometimes it gets caught up in the back of it too. I think it did here last time too. So what you want to do, is you want to put it on high, and I'm going to show you how you should blow dry your hair. Don't go down because you're going to flatten the curls. You want to scrunch it and blow dry upwards, okay? So let's go. So as you're doing this, my hair is going to continue to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. When you're doing it, you want to kind of stop for a second and just like break apart some of the pieces so it doesn't get like super tangly. So what I do a few times is I stop, it's still wet, and I break apart some of these curls that are getting a little bit stuck, and then I continue to scrunch and blow. I look like I just got electrocuted. Holy cannoli. Okay, you guys, so this is what I'm talking about. It takes a lot to tame this beast. So now, after you want to just kind of separate things. Separate things in your life. Okay, so we're getting bigger, we're growing. The lion mane is here. So now we just gotta tame it a little bit more. After blow drying it, you wanna grab your Ooba Dooba magical wand. And then what I like to do, like I said, I don't wanna do too much heat. Like I would kind of be satisfied with this, but I'm not, because I need to take like the little tiny pieces here. And don't go too big. You want to just keep it nice and small little pieces so it comes out a cute little like natural curl. And you just want to do a few of these like around. See? So now we're going to just take like a few of the pieces here that aren't looking so hot, aren't looking so curly. And we're just gonna do little tiny, tiny, tiny pieces. No thicker than a Snicker. Just that. So it does like a nice natural little curl. So continue here. Okay, so here is a little bit of the finished product. I might go back in my bathroom and touch up a few more, but like I said, I'm trying not to do as much heat on my hair as I was before, because I want to keep it nice and voluptuous for a long, long time. So, and as I did just get a trim like a few weeks ago, I want to keep it nice and healthy, because I was putting way too much heat. Sorry, I don't know what it looked like right now. This is a super simple, easy way with minimum heat. Now, I'm gonna go get better like curling products and stuff for my hair, but this is like what I'm using at the moment that's working really good. And sometimes just spray some more anti-frizz on top, and that's all. So thank you all for watching, and if you would like more beauty, hair, face tutorials, just let me know, comment below, and I'll see you all soon. I love you, T baby.